About this item: 4-port USB-C charger block compatible with iPhone 14/13/iPhone 13 Pro Max/iPhone 13 Pro. One for all, with a 40W 4-port design, 2x USB-C plus 2x USB-A, allows users to simultaneously charge 4 devices. Minimize waiting time and frees you from messy charger block with various interfaces. High-speed phone charger fast charging block offers fast and efficient charging up to 3x faster than a 5W charging block. Charge your iPhone up to 50% capacity in just 30 minutes with the original cable. Cable not included, only one USB charger block, compact and portable block charger, incredibly compact size for enhanced portability. All this charging block comes installed in a pocket-friendly compact body, to go wherever the journey takes you. Ideal for home, office, and on-the-go. Complete safety and reliability. USB charger block built-in safeguards protect your devices against excessive current, overheating, and overcharging. The charger block will automatically stop charging when power is full to protect your device. For all your devices, USB-C charger fast charging can save your time. This Type-C charging block is well compatible with iPhone 14, 14 Pro/14 Pro Max/14 Plus/13/13 Pro/13 Pro Max/13 Mini/12/12 Pro/12 Pro Max/12 Mini/11 11 Pro/11 Pro Max, iPhone XS/XS Max/XR/X/10/8/8 Plus/7/7 Plus/6/6S/SE 2020, iPad, iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad Mini,